Hey guys, want to do a quick video today because I reached 2 huge milestones this past week. I reached 500 subscribers and 100,000 views, both of which I never thought were ever possible. Mainly because I never thought I'd ever create a channel and all that good stuff. So, wanted to do a quick shout out to RT Life, who started it all for me. That 0 to 60 challenge in July of 17. That was the spark. And I also want to do a quick shout out to Das Lamas, Blue Dreamin', Johnny Pro, and Hemi Mike, because you guys were my first subscribers and the start of the encouragement to start my channel. So I want to do a quick shout out to you guys and a sincere thank you for getting this started. All right, guys. So this brings me to my second topic of this video, and that's the Travel Link system within the navigation system on the Dodge Charger. I would assume it's available in the Durango, the Challenger as well. But man, let me tell you, this is a system I have missed for the last 2 years. I never knew it existed, and I could have used it on countless occasions. And I want to show you guys the different capabilities that this system has. So stay tuned for that. It'll be here in just a moment, and here we go. Alright guys, so let's check out Travel Link. So here you can check your fuel prices, movie listings, sports scores, weather, and on this weather map it's pretty sweet because if you do have a winter storm or something coming through, it will alert you, and it's really neat. So let's go to fuel prices here. So it shows me all the different gas stations, how far, price, and everything, which is awesome. And then weather, you know, it'll show you the current weather. You can go to details. Wish I knew all of this existed. And then weather map. You can see if there's any current storms, fronts, radar. I mean, it's awesome. And then the one thing I haven't tried going into is movie listings. That's pretty sweet. So it gives you all of the area movies, how far they are away. Let's just try going here. Oh, cool. So it gives you all the different movies that are playing. So let's just go family friendly. The movie time. It's pretty kick-ass. Sports scores. Let's go basketball, NBA, Eastern Conference, Central, event schedule. Well, let's see what's going on today. Cleveland and Detroit. That is awesome. So I just wanted to show you guys this Travel Link system because me and myself had this car for almost 2 years and never knew it existed. I've been missing out on a whole lot. So this is pretty sweet. So just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the system or this app, and that's all I got for today, guys. So like, subscribe, and comment, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.